Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the popular direct interest rate. But before we get into the details, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. What is the interest rate, anyway? The interest rate is simply the price of borrowing money. When you borrow money from a bank or other lender, you agree to pay back the original amount plus interest over a certain period of time. The interest rate is typically expressed as a percentage of the original loan amount. So, now that we know what the interest rate is, let's talk about the popular direct interest rate. The popular direct interest rate is simply the interest rate that is offered by the most popular banks and other financial institutions. It is typically the lowest interest rate that is available to borrowers. There are a number of factors that can affect the popular direct interest rate. These factors include the current state of the economy, the inflation rate, the Federal Reserve's monetary policy, the riskiness of the borrower. The popular direct interest rate is typically lower than the interest rates that are offered by other lenders. This is because banks and other financial institutions are able to offer lower interest rates because they are able to borrow money at a lower cost. So, if you are looking for a low-interest loan, you should consider getting a loan from a bank or other financial institution that offers the popular direct interest rate. Now that we know what the popular direct interest rate is and how it is affected by a number of factors, let's talk about how to find the best interest rate. There are a number of ways to find the best interest rate. One way is to compare the interest rates offered by different banks and other financial institutions. You can do this by using a website or app that compares interest rates. Another way to find the best interest rate is to improve your credit score. The higher your credit score, the lower the interest rate you will be offered. Finally, you can negotiate with your lender. If you are a good customer, your lender may be willing to offer you a lower interest rate. So, there you have it. The popular direct interest rate is the interest rate that is offered by the most popular banks and other financial institutions. It is typically the lowest interest rate that is available to borrowers. There are a number of factors that can affect the popular direct interest rate, and you can find the best interest rate by comparing interest rates, improving your credit score, and negotiating with your lender. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, remember to shop around for the best interest rate. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching.